In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a button transparent on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and find the button that you want to make transparent. In my case, I'm going to use this button right here. So what I want you to do is to click on the button, and then that's going to highlight it, and a bunch of different options are going to appear right above it. The one I want you to click on is this design option right here, which is also this little pencil icon. Tap on that and then click on customize design. From here, we want to click on fill color and opacity. And since the background color of this button is green, we want to bring the opacity down to 0. And as you can see, the button is now completely transparent, except the border. Now, if you also want to remove the border, what you want to do is head over to design again and customize design. And this time, click on border. If you take a look, the opacity of the border is 100%. So you want to bring that down to 0. And that way, the button will be completely transparent, and the only thing that will be left in here will be the text itself. So if you go ahead and preview this, you'll see what the button really looks like when it's fully transparent. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a button transparent on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.